Hello everybody, this is Robert Adams. I'm going to be going over the Mole Mash app that was created using MIT's App Inventor 2. So for this application, I went ahead and created the mole here. As you can see over here under the components, we got the canvas, the mole, the score label, reset button, the noise, which is for the vibration, and the mole timer that shows when he bounces around. So over here, as you can see, we got the height and width set as 300 pixels, fill parent for the width. Mole is set here using the picture that was set for in the data files. The score label, reset button, the noise interval is set for half a second, so 500 milliseconds, and same thing with the mole timer. Now over in the block section, we have the procedures here that show you for each one of these on how the mole moves, the score when it gets updated, the timer for when that mole moves around, and what happens when you touch the mole. So I also added the recommended color changing scheme, so that way when you touch the mole it changes the background color each time you do it. So I thought that was pretty neat. Over here we have the reset button. After you click reset, and it'll set the score back. So we got over here, everything else looks good on here. So I'm going to go ahead and run this in the emulator, which is actually already running. Alright, here is our mole. He's jumping around actually pretty quickly. It's kind of a little challenge to get him with this mouse, so I'm going to try and do my best here. Oh, got him there. Score changed to 1. Got him again. There's 2. This guy is fast. There we go. 3. 4. Yeah, I can't get this last one. There we go. 5. So that is the application. Let's go ahead and do a little quick reset. Sets it back to 0. So the reason why I thought this application was pretty neat, because it gets you to think a little bit differently when you create applications. Kind of like in Android Studio or Eclipse. This one is more of a visual way of doing things with programming, and so I like the fact that you can put blocks in here to kind of give you a better view visually on how you want this application to run. So there's some people out there that just don't like looking at codes, don't even want to mess with them, and so I think this would work really well for those type of people. So other than that though, I would suggest, I mean, it's great to play around with and maybe do some quick little applications and things like that, but for anything more you know, specific or more advanced, I definitely would stick to Android Studio or Eclipse, just for the fact that you can do so much more in those, and this is just a little more basic. But I think it's a great little tool that they invented, and I think it's great for people to get used to or get started with, especially in this kind of programming, and just getting that logic and how to think correctly and create, you know, codes of different programs out there. So I thought it was pretty neat, and I'm glad I was able to find out about it through this course. So I hope you all enjoyed the application. Thank you for watching.